Up next in fourth place is the Urvolax 11X. This unit seamlessly replaces your original factory mirror with its 12-inch LCD, offering a wider view and hands-free voice control for a user-friendly experience that keeps your focus on the road ahead. What distinguishes this dashcam mirror from the Autovox V5 Pro is its OEM bracket mount. It replaces your original mirror without causing any damage or vibration, enhancing your vehicle's elegance. The detachable front-facing camera can be conveniently positioned on your windshield, adding flexibility and convenience. Another notable feature is the anti-glare technology and dual IMX335 lenses, ensuring clear vision in bright sunlight and minimizing glare from other headlights during night driving. The Urvolax 11X also offers GPS tracking, allowing you to include essential details like driving speed and location in your recorded files. In addition to its impressive features, the Urvolax 11X dashcam mirror offers smart functions. You can easily adjust parking lines, install the rear camera upside down, and benefit from loop recording to ensure you never miss a moment. Furthermore, it comes with a 32GB SD card for immediate use and locks emergency files with the G-sensor, providing reliable proof in case of accidents. Its pros are: it captures clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions, it automatically records for 30 seconds after a collision is detected, and it comes with a 32GB SD card for instant use. However, its cons are it has fairly unresponsive customer service, and installing the camera may prove to be a hassle. If you're looking for a reliable companion on the road, the Urvolax 11X dashcam mirror offers a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features, making it a strong contender in the world of dashcams. Still haven't found a rear-view mirror camera that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.